BMF. I'm starting a master class on how to use your phone to edit once you have some good content. The first step you want to do is download an application called Inshot. This one right here. Right? After you go to the App Store, whether you got iPhone or Android, you download it, you click onto it. There's a free version and a paid version. This right here is the paid version, so there's not going to be any watermark. You click on the video. Let's say you want to use one. I'm gonna go here. Let's go here. Click that one. This is a video of me and my daughter. But I'm gonna do a voiceover on it, right? So first thing you want to do is click the audio button. There's going to be music, effects, and then record. Hit record, obviously. Here's a video of me and my daughter. I'm going to attempt to put my finger up her nose because she hates that. I've been doing that since she was a baby. I do that to all my kids. I think it's funny. They probably hate it, but you know, I'm dad, so I hate it too. My grandfather used to do it to me all the time. So when you hit the check mark, that's gonna give you the audio. I'm gonna play it. Here's a video of me and my daughter. I'm gonna attempt to put my finger up her nose because she hates that. I've been doing that since she was a baby. I think it's funny. Now you notice it's playing while I'm talking. If you want to freeze it, that's funny. Freeze it right there. If you want to freeze it, all you got to do is go over to a feature called freeze, and it gives you the length that you would want to put it, and then you go back to the audio. And it's, if you're just now starting to edit, it may seem like a lot, but it's really not. I promise you. You got to get used to editing. So now it's frozen. Here's a video of me and my daughter. I'm going to attempt to put my finger up her nose because she hates that. I've been doing that since she was a baby. I do that to all my kids. I think it's funny. They probably hate it, but I'm dad, so. And right here you can cut the length, shorten it rather, and then at the bottom you see a little bar. You probably can't see it from the video, but you would just square it like that. I think it's funny. They probably hate it, but I'm dad, so. Yeah, my daughter's so beautiful. And that's that, guys. That's the first video of the masterclass we're starting. We want to help more fathers, more men, more people learn how to edit on their phone on the go. You don't need a computer nowadays. You can do it right from your phone. This is the first. If you have any questions on what we should help out with, just drop a comment. Give a shout out to my cousin Kaiser for bringing it to my attention that he needed help with this, but now I want to help other people out. Thank you.